morning! Nandito po kami ngayon sa FedEx. Sinama ako ng aking asawa sa kanyang work. At magdi-deliver kami ngayon. Ito lahat ng mga delivery. Ang dami niyang trabaho na eh. Kaya naayos niya na. Napakasipag naman. It's packing all the stuff. Sinama niya ako kasi wala akong kasama sa bahay. So wala akong magawa, kaya mag-vlog ako ngayon. Ito lang kaya kami ngayon. Okay, ipilit mo pa. Ganda ko, shit. Walang makeup yan. Kaya kung may makeup pa. Diba? Ikaw ang mini na nais ko. Okay, tapos na siya. Ang dami i-deliver. 119 stuff. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung saan kami magdi-deliver. Sabi ng fiancé ko, mga magagandang bahay daw. So, kaya sumama ako. So, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang mga lugar dito sa Amerika. Dito ko mamaya uupo. Diyan ako uupo mamaya.
Okay, 1 bottle of water. Just put it over here. Okay.
Let's go?
Not yet. I gotta set up my route.
Okay. Pakita ko sa'yo. Laki. This is where we're gonna deliver.
So we're starting on Lake Park Road. Normally we start on N.
Okay, we're going now home. So excited. This for a big truck. And this is the FedEx. Actually, there's no people here. So crazy. What time is it?
It's 8:46.
8:46.
Almost 9 o'clock, but we got plenty of time to deliver today. I think we'll make it.
Road trip again.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better.
Malapit na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga magagandang bahay. Do you think how much their house?
I don't know, but it's 5 million plus, I'm sure.
After 1,100 feet, turn left onto Laguna Drive.
It's going to be 5 million plus. It's not cheap. It's 65 million.
Where? That?
So we have one package.
Am I gonna go up? That's the house. Oh, that's beautiful. Wish we have a house like that. Okay, first stop. They need to pay you or no?
Oh, that was a delivery that needed a signature, so I had to wait for her to open the door so she can sign for that.
Pangalawang deliver. Oh, ang ganda ng bahay. Deliver.
Maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.
This must be 3242.
Okay, this house is so beautiful too. Nakakapagod pala. Nakakapagod magkaroon ng pera. They have a first aid kit. Ganda, no? Ano kayang bedroom dyan? Do you think how many bedroom in there? Maybe 4,
Probably
3.
3, 4.
CCTV po. Oh, ang lamig sa labas pero may nagja-jogging. Ang ganda ng bahay. Sana meron din kaming ganito. Nakakalungkot. Ang hirap magkaroon ng pera. Kailangan mo kumayod. Ano nangyari sa aking mukha? Bakit nagkaroon ng ganyan? You're done? Pag nakasawa ko, no? Yan mga gusto ko. Maybe you're so hardworking.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
Ito my God.
Gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Think about these neighbors.
Good. Look at the dog. Cool dog.
Oh, that dog. Oh, unfortunately, it's here where he's guarding.
Hey, close the door. Maybe close the door.
If they don't come get their dog, then I'm not going to deliver their package.
3332?
Yeah, it's this one right here.
Oh.
So it's 2051. Watch out, baby. Dog food, where you at? He's waiting for the dog food.
I think he's friendly because he's get out.
I'll give it a couple minutes.
So crazy.
You shouldn't let him out like that.
Yeah. Do you think he can bite you?
No, you don't want to find out. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not friendly.
I think he's friendly, baby.
You think so?
Because his tail is moving.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
No. We'll see.
Is it heavy?
Okay.
You need to sign?
No.
Okay, good.
I'll just leave it there.
Oh, he's friendly. He's gonna give you a toy.
That's okay.
Gold dog. Wish we have a dog.
Okay. So.
Hi, doggy.
I hope you're all good. I hope you're all good where you are now. It's probably too late, but here I am reaching my arm out. I want us to win. The
Almost
struggle
done.
we're
Malapit kami
in.
matapos sa aming trabaho.
It's never goodbye till it's over.
Delivery girl.
Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough.
Hello. Tapos na kami. Itong mga natira is walang tao or close yung bahay nila. So, kailangan namin ng signature. So, ibabalik namin ang mga package sa FedEx. So, ang oras ngayon is 4:30. We started at 8:30, right?
Yeah, we'll have to turn it over at 8:45.
Ang aming na-deliver close kaya hindi kami kapag-deliver. So, ito na lang. Konti na lang yan. So, ang aming na-deliver ngayon is 119. So, ang mga natira is I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ang na-deliver lang namin is 110. Scan lang muna. Kapagod ako, kapagod. Okay, babalik na kami sa FedEx company. Tapos na kaming mag-deliver.
We're finally done.
Oh, it's so cold.
They're so cold.
Yeah.
I need to clean my hands here. Guess I'll have to be my pants.
Ito pala yung aking mga papangasawa. Sipag, no? Sana lahat tayong masipag na mga papangasawa.
Hey, I'm gonna drink all of it.
Okay, drink. Just don't drink the alcohol. Drink coffee, that's okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Going home.
Yeah, we're going home.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Papagas muna siya. Papagas. Malapit na kaming umuwi. nagugutom na ako. Kakain kami ng Burger King for dinner. Dito kami sa Quick Trip. Ang hirap magtrabaho. Sana all mayaman para hindi na kailangan magtrabaho, no? Ang lamig!
Okay, I need to get back through.
Why?
Say I put the card back.
It's every time you touch, I feel this feeling. Every time a kiss, I feel like a fly. Every time you wanna say, I wanna be more. Ano kami sa FedEx company. Papark na namin ang aming truck. Nakakapagod pero masaya naman at nakagalaw ako ngayong araw na ito. This one is small and this truck is big.
Searching for something that ain't lost.